Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for other adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the topic, correction of errors. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or igcse or igcse, 9-1. For accounting, 7707, or 0452, or 0985. Let's begin with the lesson material. What is correction of errors? The correction of errors refers to the process of identifying and rectifying mistakes made in the accounting records. These errors may affect the trial balance or may not, depending on the type of error. In accounting, the goal is to ensure that the financial statements accurately reflect the financial position of the business. Errors must be corrected to ensure the accuracy of financial reporting. Let's check its types. The first type is error of omission. It occurs when a transaction is completely omitted from the books of accounts. Let's check its example with solution. For example, a credit sale of $500 to John was not recorded in the sales journal. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, record the missing entry as follows. Debtor John, debit by $500. Sales, credited by $500. Let's check another type. The second type is error of commission. It occurs when a transaction is posted to the wrong account of the same type. Let's check its example with solution. For example, a payment of $300 meant for Mr. A was mistakenly debited to Mr. B's account. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, reverse the wrong entry and post the correct one as follows. Mr. A, debit by $300. Mr. B, credited by $300. Let's check another type. The third type is error of principle. It occurs when an entry is made against an incorrect accounting principle. Let's check its example with solution. For example, treating the purchase of a fixed asset $900, a car, as an expense. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, reverse the incorrect entry and record it correctly as follows. Fixed assets, car, debit by $900. Expense account, credited by $900. Let's check another type. The fourth type is compensating error. It occurs when two or more errors cancel each other out, so the trial balance remains balanced. Let's check its example with solution. For example, an error of $200 in overstating purchases is compensated for an overstated of $200 in sales also. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, identify and correct both errors separately as follows. Sales, debit by $200. Purchases, credited by $200. Let's check another type. The fifth type is error of original entry. It occurs when the correct accounts are used, but the wrong amount is recorded. Let's check its example with solution. For example, a purchase of $250 is recorded as $520 in both the purchaser's account and the creditor's account. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, adjust both accounts by the difference as follows. Creditors, debit by $270. Purchases, credited by $270. Let's check another type. The sixth type is error of complete reversal, where the correct accounts are used, but each item is shown on the wrong side of the account. Let's check its example with solution. For example, paid a check to D. Williams $200, but wrongly posted bank debited by $200, and D. Williams credited by $200. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, adjust both accounts by the double amount as follows. D. Williams, debit by $400. Bank, credited by $400, let's check another type. The seventh type is error of transposition. It occurs when two digits are swapped, leading to an incorrect figure. Let's check its example with solution. For example, recording $63 instead of $36 for the stationery payment by cash. Let's check its correction. Correction should be, adjust the error by posting the difference as follows. Cash, debit by $27. Stationery, credited by $27. Let's check what does casting mean. The use of the term casting, which means adding up. Overcasting means incorrectly adding up a column of figures to give an answer which is greater than it should be. Undercasting means incorrectly adding up a column of figures to give an answer which is less than it should be. Let's move some mnemonics. The following acronym may help you to remember which types of errors do not affect the balancing of a trial balance. The first one is poor in this acronym. P4, principal. O4, omission. O4, original entry. R4, reversal. Point should be remembered, these errors do not affect the trial balance. The second acronym is CC, in this acronym. C4, compensating. C4, commission. Point should be remembered, these errors affect the trial balance. These are the completion of correction of errors in accounting. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the correction of errors, as per your syllabus and examination point of view. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comments section of this video. We will discuss the topic, suspense account, in the upcoming video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.